Awakening to your divine nature, a guided meditation allowing you to experience the felt sense of your divine nature. By way of background, our ego, the mind made self, seems to resist allowing us to let it go. It seems to operate out of fear instead of love. But our true nature is divine love. And when we replace the ego's noisy voice with the felt sense in our body of what love feels like within us, what our divine nature as the essence of love is within our bodies, the ego quiets and allows us to return to our natural state, our divine nature. So in a moment, I'll invite you to enter into the quiet and guide you through a meditation, allowing you to experience the felt sense of your divine nature, the essence of you as love in and through you. As we begin, find a quiet place to sit. Allow yourself to just notice your body. Relax your arms, your face, your forehead. Allow your body to just be present to you here and now. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths as we enter into stillness. In the stillness, recognize your divine nature, the essence of love in you as you, God's love, in your form as a human being, lives and breathes in you. Your divine nature is the power of love, the essence of God living in you as you. Draw your attention to your heart space. What does your divine nature feel like within you? What do you notice within your heart space? What is the felt experience, the felt sense of love in your body as you recognize your true identity, the power of love in you? What does love feel like within your body? You might experience the felt sense of divine love in you as you, through some or all of these ways. Warmth. You might experience a warm, gentle feeling around your heart, your chest area. That warmth is the essence of your divine spirit. You might notice a gentle tingling of some sensations in your body, a lightness of divine energy, just tingling gently within you. You might experience an openness, an expansion in your chest and in your body as you notice a sense of inner spaciousness within you that extends beyond you, beyond your body. You might feel a flow, a divine and life-giving energy flowing in your heart space out into the rest of your body. into your arms, your legs, your chest, your stomach. Just a gentle flow of divine energy, which is the divine energy of love, God's love in you, flowing. You might notice a sense of stillness, just an emotion, a feeling of calm and inner peace, just a sense of resting here and now, a fruit of the Spirit, inner peace. You might sense of being rooted through a solid connection to the earth, the ground beneath your feet, a sense of energy rooting you to the earth that God created beneath you. It might feel like your feet have roots, extending like a tree's roots deep into the ground, grounding you in the essence of who you are, a being grounded in your divine nature as God created you. You might feel a sense of being embraced, a feeling of being held by a gentle, safe, loving, divine presence, holding you, embracing you, allowing you to feel loved, safe, pure, holy, as the Holy One fills you with the divine essence of love. Whatever you experience, whatever rises up in your body as you sense the felt presence of your divine nature, love in you, know that it is a gift from the Holy Spirit. Let the Holy Spirit guide you into the truth of who you are. You were created in the image and likeness of God. And God is love, so you are love. And through this practice, you can allow your body to experience the felt sense of being that divine love in you, as you. Breathe in the felt sense of your divine nature. Feel it flowing within you in however your mind, body, and spirit recognizes the divine nature of you. And know that you can come back to this spiritual practice as often as you'd like. During morning meditation time, at the end of the evening, before you rest, and also during the day, the active part of your day when you sense your ego is trying to get the better of you, or the world is overwhelming you. You can stop for a moment, just pause, wherever you are during the day. Draw your focus back to the felt sense of your divine nature as love in you, as you. And know that this nature of who you are is always there within you. You simply need to awaken to it as your truth of who you are. Awaken to your divine nature. It is who you are. The divine nature of God's love in you, as you. Pure gift from the Creator who loves you, who formed you, and continues to guide you in the essence of love. Namaste.